In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to colour fill text here in Canva. Now, to colour fill this, you kind of need a border first. So to do this, we click onto our text, we come up to Effects, and we choose Outline. Now, we can change the outline to anything that we want, but we're going to go with black. Then, all we have to do is simply choose the colour that we want our text to be, so we can come to Text Colour, then choose any default colours. We can also choose a gradient, like this, or we can even add our own hex code colour of an image just here. Now on gradient, we can also do that just here as well, but we can choose the colour that we want to choose. Let's go with a red, just like this, and now our text has been filled with colour. So that's just how simple it is to colour fill text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.